Coming up next,
New The Amazing World of Gumball.
later
More of The Amazing World of Gumball.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
More Teen Titans Go.
later
Clarence.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
Annoying Orange.
later
A new regular show.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
Cartoon Network Gift Time.
later
More Cartoon Network Gift Time.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
Johnny Test.
later
Cartoon Network Gift Time.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
More Adventure Time.
later
Regular show.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
New Legends of Chima.
later
Teen Titans Go.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
A new The Amazing World of Gumball.
later
Uncle Grandpa.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
Teen Titans Go.
later
Johnny Test.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
A new Mad.
later
Annoying Orange.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
A new Adventure Time.
later
A new regular show.
on Cartoon. Coming up next,
Steven Universe meets Uncle Grandpa.
later
Teen Titans Go.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
Teen Titans Go.
later
The Amazing World of Gumball.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
Another new episode of Regular Show.
later
The series premiere of Uncle Grandpa.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
The Amazing World of Gumball.
later
Regular show.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
Clarence.
later
Teen Titans Go.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
Regular show continues.
later
The series premiere of Uncle Grandpa.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
A new Teen Titans Go.
later
The Looney Tunes Show.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
Garage Band.
later
A new Annoying Orange.
on Cartoon Network. Coming up next,
A new The Amazing World of Gumball.
later
A new Clarence.
on Cartoon Network.